Pour hot water over a roll of toilet paper. It will turn into something truly amazing. Once the paper is fully soaked, gently remove the cardboard tube from the center. Then squeeze out the excess water, just enough so the mass stays moist. Tear pieces of the paper into a glass container to create a soft, absorbent layer at the bottom. Now take some coffee, either ground or instant. Its strong scent works as a natural repellent. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of coffee onto the paper. The next ingredient is something you definitely have at home. Cinnamon works as a natural repellent too, and it's especially effective in this mix. Add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Now it's time for rubbing alcohol. It acts instantly and is a key ingredient. Pour 1 tablespoon into the mix. Add a bit of toothpaste, preferably minty. It contains fluoride and menthol, which are irritating to pests. Mix everything thoroughly with your hands so all the ingredients combine well. Cut a small piece of aluminum foil. Form the mixture into small balls and wrap each one in foil, leaving a bit exposed. Place the balls wherever you see ants, spiders, or cockroaches. This mixture repels all kinds of pests, fast and effectively. And the best part, you already have everything you need at home.